come up on passenger. Stand by.
I think you might. What do you think?
You should be good. How's it look back there?
His diff's okay so far. The back diff, I can't see the front.
Because it's tucked up. You should be able to drive straight up it.
Go slow.
Keep coming. Good.
Good. His
You're
diff's
good. Your diff's going to come up. Is that your mirror?
Yeah. Oh! It's good. Yeah, it's his cab I'm worried about. Alright, he's clear on the left.
Woohoo!
Nice. Fuck, how the hell are you gonna make that? What do you mean? Wow.
Hey, Eric,
Jeep.
toss me your lighter real quick.
Sorry, you're fake Jeep.
I think it's going to be Shrek.
Why do you call it Shrek?
Because it's got the lights on the mirror. Kind of looks like Shrek's ears. It's a van. Four-wheel low, rear locker when you get up here.
I'll have it on the whole way.
No, you don't want it on the whole way.
No?
Anytime you're turning, you want it off.
Without kissing the wall.
Are you auto or manual?
But
No, I mean, are you ready?
automatic. Automatic.
Oh, perfect. It'll be no brainer. You'll come right up.
You don't need that one anyway. Yeah.
It looks worse than it is.
That true track is freaking money. Somebody burned out.
I just want to Thanks, dude.
Surprised you didn't.
Was I okay for most of that? Yeah,
Yeah,
the only
you were.
concern was being close to the wall, but the diff and rockers and everything else.
I was close when I started to hit the gas a little bit. Where I stopped right there, I started to slide to the wall. I was about that far away from
Yeah,
it.
that's when I said stop, because you just, the whole thing went over, and I'm like, oh!
I was watching. I had my head out the window.
The hardest part is being able to see the spot.
I know. And having to stop, make sure like clearance. I'm glad all you guys helped. Thank you. I appreciate it. This is the only spot I was worried about.
Your back diff got close on a couple areas, but not there. Like when you were up here, your back diff was pretty close to like.
No, what I was worried about was when my front wheel went over that.
So you should stop making fun of rock lights. You use some rock lights. So
Got some decent video of it.
Oh, underneath.
What's gonna suck as soon as Ken moves, or as soon as Ken's left, there's not gonna be enough light to really get Ken.
Yeah, there will.
Oh yeah. He can make this
Yeah,
a problem.
walk
He's
right
done it
up here
before.
like I did.
Did everybody tell the band to have like locker and all that shit? Alright. Man, that true track is badass.
I know, I told you.
Hey Jeremy, you got smoke with them on dude?
Yeah.
I'm a little after that one. I was like, I'm gonna hit something. Thanks, dude.
He's got the lighter though.
Open
Here.
your window.
Unless you got a lighter.
Not you can hear me. Both sides. When I go like this, that means I want your tire here.
Hoping the video comes out okay.
Oh shit.
It's hard to tell because there's
Yeah, it's longer.
without a whole lot of light. It's hard to get a.
Oh. Turn off your lights. Turn off at least the fog lights. Or that works too. Ah, Jesus. I'll just fucking leave you here.
No,
There you go, you're fine.
no, we need the lights on.
Go on.
He needs to get.
Hold up.
Go passenger. Straighten it out. Straight. Slow down. That's a good line. Bring it forward. Nice and easy. Keep it coming.
Hey, Wiki, step to the side a little
Side's
bit.
gonna come up.
So you can see
Slow
it.
and easy. Keep it coming forward. Passenger a little bit. A little more than that. More. You're good. Keep going forward. Keep going. You got it. Great. Hold on up. You're done.
Ken, turn the ridges off.
The less light we have, the more grainy it's gonna look, though.
It's all good. You gotta be able to see.
Passenger. Right here. Little passenger.
Too much.
Straight up. Lock the rear. You lock the rear, you'll walk right up it.
It said it was locked.
All right. Try one more time. You got the front locked?
No.
Front, lock the front.
Oh, I forgot to lock mine.
You probably didn't need it because of those 37s.
Yeah.
Turn the wheel, passenger. A little bit more. Your front's not turning at all.
Just have it back
Straighten
down.
it out. Straighten it out. Straighten it out.
Back it back down so you
Bump
can
it.
engage. It doesn't look like it's engaged.
Come on forward, bump it.
There, you heard the locker
Yeah,
engage.
finally.
The locker said they were in. I get up on the hill and oh, we're not in now. You have an air locker?
I know.
I should have brought my leg.
I know.
Oh, watch your step right there.
Whoa!
You alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
Eh,
Keep on that.
Yeah. Disappeared. Whee!
All kind of wee.
There was this little rock right there and I just towed it. I was like, oh shit.
Are we going or are we hanging?
You can follow your legs for a minute.
Yeah, I'm a little tired. Yeah, my bun hole was definitely following the hammy on there.
Yeah, it looks very impossible when you're looking at waiting for it to go up.
You have to be careful of stuff like that
You're gold, man.
because that, if
Damn it.
it gets into
Lockers
your
in
shoe, that's a choya or jumping cactus,
Of course, I can't.
also known as teddy bear cactus because it looks fluffy.
Can't go backwards and see
But
it.
it will
Are they
stick
working
in
now?
your boots or shoe or legs, and when you try to like pull it off, it'll stick to the next thing and
Yeah.
the next thing. And
Ask
so
Jeremy about that when he
You
decided
have-
he wanted a hacky sack before.
Yeah.
yeah, you have to take like pliers to pull it out. It sucks.
Yeah, I definitely thought I was x-raying them.
I thought I was going to hit the right side.
So you have to be careful with stuff like that because it will be awful. There was on one of the runs we did with the virtual thing, there was a
just heard was
fluffy like golden noodle thing
Yeah, because my
that
wheelbase
they
is so
hadn't
long. I was
shaved,
worried that it was
and they
gonna
just
fall
let
down.
him run around, and he came back and got a
Transfer
whole
case cross
mouthful
member.
and paw full of
I was worried
jumping
that
choya,
I might
or
hang
choya,
up on that.
and
It was a perfect size hole.
they had to hold the dog down and pull. We had tools and had to rip all the stuff out. And they have like these little hooks. So when they go in, yeah.
You can turn your shit off. Put your lockers on. You go, yeah.
Grab the water thing like that.
There's usually not too many on the trail. Usually,
You want your sandwich?
but like,
Are you
The
hungry
what?
at all?
Eric, I told you that.
I'm not really that hungry right now.
Hey there, man.
Yeah. So what happened was I was at Progressive.
Great thing we have a sandwich for tomorrow.
Look at, as long as there's plenty of light, it comes out pretty decent.
Uh-huh.
The guy comes back and says, we have double cab.
Have a nice day.
I was like, double cab. He's like, well, we don't actually make one for that because the frame's different than the extended cab. He's like, we've been trying to get a truck in here to put a jig on it. So I look up their website and contact them. They're in Casa Grande. So I send the guy an email back. I'm like, well, we need a donor vehicle. We need mine.
You've got 6 and 4.
And the guy's like,
Both of them.
the guy comes back and goes, yeah, I'd be interested in talking to you. So I was sitting there at Progressive and I called him up. And the guy's like, well, here's what I can do for you. I need your truck for